Hello, I'm Ian Vosser and I'm going to show you how to start a video meeting from Google Meet. Google Meet is fantastic for video conferencing with both colleagues and learners. If you're thinking of video conferencing with learners, please make sure you've checked with your local authority that is an appropriate and there's the right safeguarding approaches in place. So with that in mind, let's head ourselves into our browser and we're going to navigate to meet.google.com. If I'm using an Android or an Apple device which has a Google Meet app available, it will prompt me to download or connect into Meet using that. I would absolutely advise that you do that for the best Meet experience. And once you're in the app, it will look very much similar to this browser experience that you're seeing here. Okay, so we're looking at starting our video meetings, and this might include creating a meeting space that we want to use at a later date. So the first thing we need to do is click on Join or Start a Meeting. Now this box pops up, and this Join or Start a Meeting box is an optional step where you can enter the meeting code if you want to join a meeting, and there is another video that I've made on my channel that shows you how to join meetings, so please check that out. Or the option to enter a nickname if you're starting your own meeting. Now, the purpose of the nickname is to create a space which is easily managed by teachers. So if you put a nickname in the space, you'll end up with a nice short link that you can share with learners. And if the teacher is the last person to leave that meeting space, then the meet will expire and students and learners won't be able to rejoin without a teacher. Now, if you're creating a meeting space for colleagues and you want them just to be able to come and go, I would absolutely suggest you leave this meeting code nickname box blank. So it's an optional step, so just press continue. So once I've pressed continue, I've then taken into the Meet screen here, and I have the ability to go straight in and join now, but I've also got the information I need to be able to share the Meet information with others. So you can see here, meet.google.com, and then I've got a meeting code here. So if I copy and paste that meeting code, I can then send that in an email or share it in a text message, and that is how my colleagues are going to join the meeting. So if you send them that code and my other video, which explains how to join a Google Meet, then they will have absolutely no problems getting in. Now, other ways you can get people to join your meeting, if I go into the meeting by pressing join now, I've got the ability to copy the joining information and then send that in an email or share it in some kind of chat, or I have the option to add people and I can type their email addresses in here. Now, people who are in the same G Suite tenancy in the same organization as you, they should be able to join straight into the Meet. But if you've got somebody external coming in to join the call, then you'll get a little option to be able to let them in and admit them into the Google Meet. So if I close out that, and when we've finished with our Google Meets, we just need to hang up, and we've got ourselves a red phone icon here, which allows us to leave the call. And then I have the option to rejoin the meeting or return to the home screen. Hopefully this has given you a little introduction about how we can start a video meeting and what the purpose of creating a nickname for that video meeting could be, and how we can keep our Meet sessions live by not using that option. Thanks very much. Please catch me on Twitter at Mr. Vosser if you need any more help. Thank you.